Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I will show you how to record Windows screen, use Microsoft PowerPoint and VLC media player. Okay, number one, I use PowerPoint for record Windows screen. Now just go to open PowerPoint and create a blank presentation and go to insert and screen recording. Can select full screen recording. Click on record button. Click on record button. 2 1 stop. Okay, now record. Okay, now you can go to test. Right click. Okay, test finish. Now can go to stop and move your mouse middle and top. You saw record buttons and stop button on here. Okay, now you can click on stop button. If we insert your video into your PowerPoint slide. Okay, now I will export this video to MP4 to desktop. Okay. And now right click your video. Sorry, stop. Right click your video and choose Save Media As. Choose your location that you want to save the file. I choose on desktop and file name. Okay, now I choose media1.mp4. Okay, click save. Okay, already. Now just go to see on your desktop. You will see your file media1 and right click for text. Play. Okay. Right click and right click. This is my testing. My video. This is how to record Windows screen using Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, thank you. Okay, number 2, I use VLC media player for record screen in your activity on screen. Okay, on Windows. Now I go to open VLC media player, and then you can go to media and choose on open capture device and go to capture mode. I choose desktop. On option this is frame red for the capture. I type 50 and go to play buttons arrow, click on here and convert. Okay, you can go to click on create a new profile for create format this video record. Okay, now I choose MP4/move and go to video codec. Check on video and codec. You can choose select H 264 and import profile name. Now I import screen record and create. Already you can destination file. You can browse your location that you want to save and put the file name. Okay, my screen record. okay, on desktop, okay, and click save. Now good, you can click on start for record your video. Yeah, this time is running. Okay, now you can go to, yeah, do something on your screen and open your browser. Yeah, right here, like this. Okay, now test finish. Now go to stop. Yeah, you can click on stop playback. Stop. Yeah. Okay, go to your desktop. You can, yeah, you will see your file that you saved already. This is my file, my screen record.mp4. Okay, right click and view testing. Yeah. Okay, easy to record. If you don't have, yeah, application for record your screen, you can use, yeah, PowerPoint or VLC for instead of it. Okay, today, yeah, thank you for watching my video. I hope this video help you for record your screen and your activity on your screen or the Windows. Okay, thank you. Please help me you subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Goodbye.